Hello, I'm Adam and I garden here in Gorslas. My garden is my world. I just love coming outside and growing plants of all kinds. I also run an Instagram page, Adam yn yr Ardd, where I share hints and tips about how you can go about growing plants in your gardens. I've recently teamed up with the Growing the Futures project at the National Botanic Garden of Wales to champion and celebrate the very best of Welsh gardening and horticulture, to give pollinating insects a helping hand, to safeguard and protect our wildlife and environment, and to emphasise the importance of gardening for our health and well-being. The Growing the Futures project has three main aims, which are that we garden for our health and well-being, that we have a great opportunity to celebrate the very best of Welsh gardening, and that we can plan the gardens of our future in a way that complements and supports wildlife and our environment. Over the coming weeks, through a series of short videos, I'll be sharing some basic information and tips on how you can get started in your garden. Gardening is a community, so if you've got any questions, advice or stories that you'd like to share with us, please do so. We'd love to hear from you. So why not join in the fun and excitement of growing your own plants at home? Hwyl am y tro.